welcome back to my channel. And oh, also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, I'm gonna rewind a bit. This is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which is, you know, just, you know, the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle. And then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to prime my left eyelid with the NYX eyeshadow base in Nude. Then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm just putting the shade Riff in my crease, and then putting Stranded on my lid. Then I'm going to be putting Good Is Gone in the outer corner, then using the NYX Epic Ink Liner to make a nice fierce wing. Then I'm taking the NYX pencil liner in black, and I'm just drawing some lines across my face, kind of making it look like that cracked effect. Then I'm taking the NYX HD concealer and kind of covering my blemish and highlighting. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild to cover up the one portion of the face. And then the other portion of the face, I'm taking a mixture of these two Snazaroo face paints and just taking a makeup sponge and just putting it all over on the other side of the face. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild gel black liner and just kind of defining the cracked line that's going across my face. And then I'm also using that to kind of create the ridges in the pumpkin part of the face. Then I'm taking this NYX Primal Color in Hot Black, and I'm kind of just like smudging it along the black gel liner that we put on the orange side of the face, kind of like define the ridges and give it like a more realistic effect. And then with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette, I'm taking the black shade, and I'm using that to just kind of like outline the jack-o'-lantern part of the face. And I'm actually, I don't know why I did it this way, but I ended up using the lipstick to cover up the actual lip portion of my lips, and then for the rest of it I went back to using that Wet n Wild gel black liner. For a highlighter in Blissful, and I'm using that to highlight on the normal side of my face. Then I'm taking NYX liquid liner and just kind of like defining like the high points of like the crack to make it look a little bit more realistic. Then I'm putting on some Sonia Kashnik false lashes and using the Morphe setting spray to set it all. Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or Sand Cloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one.